Hello everybody, it's ZArtwork back here with another drawing, and today I'm going to be drawing a cool great white shark for everyone. And in this video I use some very standard materials for everyone. I used a simple Pentel Mechanical Pencil, then I used blending sticks for the shading, I used a Uniball white pen in the eye to add a white glare effect, and then also I used a Tombow Eraser to add the minor erase marks and other detailing effects. I thank you guys all so much for your support, liking my videos, and subscribing to my channel. Please tell your friends about my channel. Hopefully I can hit 1,000 subscribers, because when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a whole giveaway, and giving away 2 of my drawings. And I will let you guys pick them, the winners of this contest, I should say, or this giveaway. So back to the drawing. Anyway, I'm going to start on by moving to the major details after I got my outline done. I'm going to go on to the tail, and you see how I'm adding a different darkness effect on the tail. I'm adding some parts are 10 out of 10 dark, and some parts are like 4 out of 10, and completely 0 out of 10 darkness. Make sure when you're drawing any type of drawing, you want to understand your darkness scale. And in this particular drawing, I have a whole bunch of spots on this drawing that are probably a 5 out of 10 darkness, as you see the whole main part of the shark, and then I blend it in together to really make it look more realistic, as I should say. So as you see, I'm working on the upper fin. I am adding a lot of detailing to this. It doesn't seem like it's a really hard piece, but you have to add a lot of detailing to make it look nice. And now I'm going to start on by moving to the main body of the great white shark and the eyes. I don't know really how it's going to blend together. I want to blend it so some parts, mainly on the bottom of the fish, is a lot more darker than the top part. That's how I'm going to go on about my blending in this drawing. As you see, the steps are just very repetitive. I am drawing a whole bunch of scratch marks with my pencil, then blending it all through, and then erasing parts where I want it to be a really light and stuff like that. So it's a very simple drawing, very easy, and very fun to draw, because when you're drawing it, you have a whole new style, because most people draw just, hey, just stick to one thing, like, oh, I only draw anime, oh, I only draw people. But if you draw animals, people, everything, it's so much more fun, and it helps your drawing just skyrocket, like your ability to draw. So I love drawing animals like this, and fish and all that. It's really fun. And now I'm going to be working on the mouth. The way I did the mouth is, I have the teeth. I made the teeth very, very dark, like the outlines of the teeth, and then after that I went over back with my Uniball white pen to have the white parts of the teeth showing. So I'm adding a little bit of a detailing effect there, not too much, but enough to make it noticeable and a big difference. Now I'm going to be working on the lower fin. As you see, great white sharks have beatings. They take beatings all the time. So I'm adding a lot of cuts in the shark, a lot of scratch marks, rip marks. That's kind of what you want to do when you're drawing this kind of great white shark, because you don't want to make it completely clean and completely nice. Great white sharks they're pretty crazy animals. You have to see how much they kill and how much they get beat up. It's crazy. So that's why I'm adding all of this detailing on like the fins and every part of the shark. So now I'm going to be finishing up my touches here. I'm going to go over a little bit more of my Tombow Eraser, my blending stick, and add more of a darkness effect in certain areas with my pencil. And that's about all for the drawing. It was a very, very fun drawing to do. I had a great time drawing it. So if you guys like these types of videos, please subscribe down below, because I'll be posting every single Monday and Friday. And I think I'm going to be posting an anime drawing every Monday for everyone, because anime is so fun to draw, and I know you guys love me drawing anime, so please comment down below any anime suggestions that you want me to draw. I thank you guys so much for watching this video of a great white shark. I thank you guys again so much for your support, and have a great and wonderful day.